Section 4.9, we're going to use coordinate notation to describe the translation. So we're going to slide a figure 5 units to the right, 3 units down. How does that look? Well, if you flip back over on the other side, you're taking every single ordered pair x, y, and you're moving it. If you're moving 5 to the right, that would be x plus 5 because you're going to the right. If you're moving to the left, it would be x minus 5. Since we're moving 3 units down, we're going to do y minus 3. If it was 3 units up, we'd do y plus 3. Okay, number 10, same type of deal. Next section, complete this statement using the description of the translation. In the description, points 2, 3 and 4, 2 are 2 vertices of the triangle. So here's ordered pair 2, 3. It's going to translate into positive 10, negative 4. So if you're going from 2 to 10, you're adding 8. If you're going from 3 to negative 4, you're taking away 7. So add 8, take away 7. That's what you need to do to this guy. You need to add 8 to him and then take away 7. So if you add 8 to this guy, your x-coordinate would be 12. And if you take away 7, you would be negative 5. So those were translations. These next two are reflections. We're going to use reflection in the x-axis to draw the other half of the figure. I think you could probably do this without showing the work, but eventually you're going to have to show the work because sometimes the problem's going to be a little bit tougher than this one. This one kind of looks like half of a Christmas tree that fell down. You know where all of these vertices are, so I took some time and I already wrote them. Now here's how reflections go in the x-axis. If you want to reflect this guy over to here, what you're doing is you're keeping all of these x values. So I'll do that first. Whatever your x value is, keep it. Now here's where the change comes in. You want this point to flip over the x-axis, so we're not changing how far it is to the right of the origin, we're changing how high it is above the origin. So we're changing the y value of it. So whatever you have here, you need to make the opposite. Now when you have a 0, the opposite of 0 is 0. So basically in all of these, I'm making the positives into negatives. And then all you're doing is just plotting these ordered pairs down here. So we get this same ordered pair here. We get positive 1, negative 4. We get positive 3, negative 2. We get positive 3, negative 3.